Good morning students. Today we are going to start the new content of the 22nd chapter, that is the imperative sentence. We learned that in first period, that is what is meant by the operative sentence. Now we are going to learn what is meant by the imperative sentence. In Marathi, imperative sentence means आज्ञार्थक वाक्य. Now look here, imperative sentence are those that are used either to order, instruct or advise or to prohibit it. Okay, prohibited or disallow or forbidden. Okay, these are the things. Okay, a sentence related with instruct or related with order, or it will be a advice. Okay, or in that sentence it something is forbidden. Okay, or disallow. All things included in that sentence we can say that is the imperative sentence. Okay, आज्ञार्थक वाक्य म्हणजे असं वाक्य की ज्यामध्ये सूचना केलेली असते, एखादी आज्ञा केलेली असू शकते, एखादं सजेशन दिलेलं असू शकतं, किंवा मग एखादी गोष्ट करू नका, नकारार्थी अशा भावनेतून सुद्धा सांगितलेली असते, तर त्या वाक्याला आपण काय म्हणतो, आज्ञार्थी वाक्य असं म्हणत असतो. ओके, फॉर एक्झाम्पल लुक हियर, keep silence. Keep silence, it is one order. Okay, now don't speak. Don't speak, it is a forbidden. That means for prohibition. Okay, something is forbidden. Okay, now don't quit. Don't quit. Speak up. Speak up, that is means advice. Okay, speak up, something that is related with, these are the related with imperative sentence. It may be a small group of words. Okay, now look here, the one question related with this imperative sentence we have to learn, or we are going to learn. Okay, look here, convert the following assertive statements into imperative sentences. Okay, convert the following assertive statements into imperative sentence. First example is here, you must always keep trying and never give in. Okay, now you must always keep trying and never give in, or you can say that give up also. Okay, now look here, we have to convert that assertive sentence into imperative sentence. Always keep trying. Always keep trying and never give in, or we can say that give up. Okay, remember this. Okay, now the second sentence is here, you were supposed to make a declaration in front of the people. Okay, it is one assertive sentence. We have to convert that assertive statement or sentence into imperative sentence that starts with verb. Okay, look here, make a declaration. Make a declaration in front of the people, full stop. Okay, imperative sentence we can easily identify in simple language. It starts with main verb. Mostly it starts with main verb. Okay, make a declaration in front of the people, full stop. We convert the above sentence, that sentence, assertive sentence, into imperative sentence. Now the third one is here, you should press your ears to the keyhole to listen better, full stop. This is the assertive statement or sentence. You have to convert that sentence into imperative. Press your ears. Okay, it starts with verb. Okay, press your ears to the keyhole to listen better, full stop. Okay, now look here, the fourth sentence is here. Okay, it is late, full stop, you must go to sleep. These are the two statements. Okay, these are the two statements. You have to convert the which one is correct into imperative sentence. First, you can write the first sentence as it is. It is a late, full stop. and you have to convert the second sentence into imperative, that means go to sleep. Okay, instead of you must go to sleep, you can use here go to sleep. Imperative sentence generally starts with main verb. Okay, in this way you can easily get the clear idea related with imperative sentence. Okay, what is meant by the imperative sentence? A sentence which express order, that means advice or instructions or in prohibition or forbid, that is called imperative sentence. The remaining part of this lessons we will see in next video. Okay.